Hello everyone, myself Harshada Katkade and I am from Balukar Institute, and today my speech topic is diseases. If we are aware of the symptoms of the diseases, then it will become easy to understand which disease we are affected, and how to treat the disease and which disease we have affected. Then we can take the measures against the disease. Therefore, we have to study some diseases and their symptoms. Now, first disease is polio. Poliomyelitic disease. It affects it directly affects the central nervous system of the body, and it affects the polio virus via polio virus, and it affects the central nervous system of the body, and it directly affects the motor nerve. That is, therefore, loss of muscular control occurs. Means the person affected by the polio virus, he is a paralyzed person, or his legs are mostly affected by it, and infected person is not able to carry out the normal function of his body. And children between the age of 6 months and 3 years are mostly affected by this disease. And it is transmitted to a healthy person by contaminated food and water, that is fecal oral disease. And symptoms of the diseases are sore throat, stiffness in the neck, and muscular pain, headache, fever, vomiting. And preventions are what? Consumption of the physiotherapy, take complete rest, physiotherapy, and another is take a polio vaccine, that is Salk chelator type vaccine, and Sabin antenatal vaccine against this disease. And pulse polio immunization is carried out in December 1995. In this program, the poliomyelitic cases are decreased from 4,791 to 135. And the aim of the pulse polio immunization program is to replace the wild virus with the harmless vaccine virus, and to produce the partially immunized children. And the vaccines are given, 3 vaccines are given after the birth of the baby at the month of 1.5, 2.5 and 3.5 month after his or her birth. And booster dose is given at the age of 1.5 years of the baby. And after that, rabies is also a very infected disease. It is transmitted to a healthy person by infected dog bite or a rabid dog. The infected dog have high level of saliva secretion through which the disease is transferred. And development of symptoms, it takes about 3 months to develop the symptoms. And symptoms of the disease are contraction of the muscles, headache and vomiting. Fever is the main cause, and the affected person is development of fear in his mind again for the water. He create a fear in the mind about the water. And the prevention is what? Disinfectants are immediately used after the bite, and carbolic soap, washing of the wound with the carbolic soap on the wound, and killing of the rabid dog or mad dog after the bite, and consumption of the anti-rabies vaccine. In that also, control measures are there are 14 vaccines are given in the partial treatment to the affected person. And now currently 5 anti-rabies vaccines are discovered, and that are given after the bite 0, 3, 7, 14 days after the bite. It is given. Thank you.
Good, very good.